Welcome! Today we will be covering an introduction to geometry consisting of important terminology and concepts such as points, lines, line segments, and rays. We can draw two dots. In geometry, we call these points. A point is an exact location. A point has no dimensions, so it has no length, no width, and no height. We can connect these points. This figure is called a line. A line extends indefinitely in both directions, so it goes on forever and ever. We indicate this by drawing arrows on both sides of the line. Lines are one-dimensional. We can label the dots A and B. We can refer to this figure as line AB or AB with a line over it. There are so many ways to draw lines, such as all of these examples. Let's look at a scenario. Imagine you live in Paris, France. This is your exact location, so we can indicate this by putting a point on the map. You then travel to Rome, Italy for vacation. This is another exact location, so it can be represented by a point as well. The 2 points can be connected to represent your path. Your path is called a line segment in geometry. A line segment is finite because it does not extend forever in either direction. A line segment has 2 endpoints that indicate a specified and fixed length. We can label the endpoints A and B. This can be called line segment AB or AB with a line segment above it. Let's look at another scenario. Imagine you live in Emmett, Idaho. Since this is your exact location, it can be represented by a point on the map. You have been told to fly east but are not given any destination. We can draw out your path as such. Your path is called a ray. Rays have only one endpoint and extend indefinitely in only one direction. We can label 2 points on the ray as C and D. This ray can be called ray CD or CD with a ray above it. Just like lines, rays can be drawn in many ways, such as all of these. They all have one endpoint and one arrow. Let's rewind a bit and recap the lesson. Number 1 is a line. We know because of the arrows on either end. We can recall that a line continues indefinitely in both directions. We can label the points and call this line AB or AB with a line over it. Number 2 is a line segment. We know so because it is part of a line and has 2 endpoints indicating a fixed length. We can label the 2 points C and D and call this line segment CD or CD with a line segment above. Number 3 is a ray. We can recall that a ray has one endpoint and extends in one direction. We can label 2 points on the ray as E and F. This ray can be referred to as ray EF or EF with a ray above it. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.